Do the laws of robotics create moral dilemmas? Imagine a robot faced with a tough choice. Should it follow a command that might harm someone or refuse and risk disobedience? This scenario shows how the laws of robotics can lead to moral puzzles. These laws, created by Isaac Asimov's 4 stories about robots, are meant to keep humans safe and ensure robots obey. The first law says a robot cannot hurt a human or let harm happen through inaction. The second law states robots must obey humans unless it conflicts with the first law. The third law says robots should protect themselves unless it conflicts with the first 2. Later, Asimov added a 0th law, which says a robot cannot harm humanity or let harm happen to humanity through inaction. These rules seem simple but become complicated in real life. For example, what if obeying one command causes harm to another person? The robot then faces a dilemma: follow one order or prevent harm to someone else. The laws don't give clear instructions for such conflicts, so robots might get stuck or make unexpected decisions. Another issue is inaction. If a robot sees a dangerous situation but cannot act without risking harm to itself or breaking orders, it faces a moral question. Should it intervene or stay still? The 0th law adds another layer, asking if a robot should prioritize humanity as a whole over individual people. This can lead to tough choices, like sacrificing one person to save many. Because these laws are rules for fictional robots, they highlight how hard it is to program ethics into machines. In real-world robotics and artificial intelligence, developers use these ideas to create safety rules and guidelines. But the laws of robotics show us that moral dilemmas are unavoidable when machines interact with humans. They reveal the challenge of making robots that can handle complex moral questions, especially when rules conflict or situations are unpredictable. So yes, the laws of robotics do create moral dilemmas because they force us to think about how machines should make tough decisions. They reminded us that programming ethics into robots is not simple, and that moral questions will always be part of the future of robotics.